All right. Today we're going to talk about how to repair your baseball hat. Now, this used to be here's the black one. This used to be my absolute favorite baseball hat, and you might have seen me wearing it in another video or two. But if you remember, this section here was completely raggedy and not very nice. All right, so now uh, I'm going to show you how to fix up a, uh, a baseball hat. And it's very hard to be original, with YouTube's. But I think this will be the only video ever made on how to repair a baseball hat. And so in a few seconds, we're going to go downstairs and I'm going to show you just how this wonderful idea of repairing a hat occurred to me. By the way, this is the hat repair half done because I wanted to illustrate that. Okay, that's it. We're going to go downstairs now and I'm going to show you something wonderful. Well, now I'm going to tell you exactly how I discovered this amazing way to repair baseball hats. Now, here is the baseball hat. The middle one is repaired with the black rubber that I am going to tell you about. The one on the right is repaired with a, what do you call it, a reflective. Let's get close to it so you can see. Well, in real life, it looks very reflective. Here, it isn't coming out so good. And then this is the one that I'm going to repair right in front of your very nose. Okay, now here is how I discovered this amazing way to repair baseball hats. My kid, he kept opening the car door into the cement wall. Okay, I don't have to show you the cement wall. What is in the background? You know, yeah, you know what a cement wall looks like. Okay, so now I told the kid, hey, you know what? When I had a car many years ago to decorate it, we had these little strips. So we go to the auto repair store and we buy a big bag of rubber strips to uh, prevent the side of the door from getting chipped. And we put it on and I think it looks pretty good, huh? Look at this. Wow. So we put one on both doors, okay, on our new Swell MG. And then we had a little left over. And so I put that here. See how good that looks? You'll notice I got a disabled thing because I'm disabled. I can't even walk upstairs anymore. That's what happens when you get to be an old geezer like me. But, well, anyway, I'm going to take these beautiful hats outside now, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to fix them. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you exactly what happened. After we got done putting the black, whatever you want to call it, black strip on the car, there was a little bit left over. And you probably saw in my other videos, I was wearing this beautiful hat and it was all frazzled around here. So what I did was I cut all the frazzle off and I put the beautiful thing here and look how nice it came out. Wow. What a difference. Okay, so I'm going to put this beautiful hat on over my wig and then I'm going to show you. Well, this is the one we did with the what do you call it? The bright tape. So that'll at night, you shine a light on it. It looks pretty good. So, but here is the one I'm going to repair right in front of you today. This has got like those hacks you see all the time. Well, this is going to be one of those. So here I'm going to start. See, I put it on here and watch me do this. Oh God, look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Amazing, but true. Okay. So, okay, here we can cross the street now and go over to my beautiful Campione waterfront. This is the view I get from my apartment. It's really nice. And let's see. Oh, there's a lot of people. And good-looking women too. Ooh, maybe we'll get to see them from the side. Anyway, I know you're not interested in beautiful women. You're only interested in how to fix a baseball cap. So we'll assume this is all frazzled. You cut it off, make it neat, and then look at how easy it is. You just take this and push it right over. Look at that. Push it over. Oh boy. Look at this. Do it yourself. And you know this is just a leftover piece. It's like free. Doesn't cost anything. But the whole, how much was that thing? It was only about a couple euros, a couple dollars worth of. Now, have you ever seen a more beautiful hat than that? It's like the one I'm wearing, but I'm going to put it on just to show you. That's what a beautiful hat looks like. And now you know how to repair a baseball hat so it's even better than new. And what a hack this was. Thank you. Oh, don't forget to press the like, press the subscribe. Oh, and make a nice comment. Preferably say something nice. And see my other videos. I got much better videos than this, really. Uh, I got one about divorces. I have one about, oh, you can't imagine how many great videos I have, but I want you to look at them, make comments, and subscribe. So that's it for now. I'll have another video for you tomorrow. Here's a PS. My cameraman said that just like when you're sitting on the toilet, you should always finish the job. And so I never did the final cut, which I'm going to do right now, right here for you, so you see what a beautiful, like new hat will be made out of your old baseball hat. Now see here, I've pushed it down and it doesn't, it's sort of self. Now watch this. Oh, here comes the final cut. Unlike some movies where they, whew, oh, let's hope this works. There we go. Uh-oh. See, I should have cut the angle the other way, but well, you know, this is an amateur video. What do you want? Okay, so here we go. We're going to put it on, and then I'm going to model it for you just like they do in Vogue magazine. Here we go. And there it is, the, the hat. It could have been raggedy, but it's all fixed up beautiful with a contrasting band on the brim. Wow. And you can now fix your own baseball hat. I have a leftover piece here, so if anybody is in the area of Lugano, Italy, I'm going to give you this piece free. And it's good for at least one baseball hat. So long. See you tomorrow.